Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is something that I didn't actually think I would ever be doing. This is certainly a controversial subject, but I had a company approach me through my YouTube page asking me if they could send me a bag and I would open it and review it on my channel. They went into a few more details after I replied to them to tell me that they were a website that sells replica designer bags. So they have like replica Louis Vuitton, replica Gucci and replica Chanel, and the list goes on and on. I have owned replica bags in the past, but it was a long time ago. Since I bought my first proper designer handbag, I kind of never looked back. And to me, there's something that I enjoy saving up for. I guess it's like the thrill of the chase. I love to get my sights. Sorry, my dogs are going to snore again. I like to get my sights set on something and then save up hard and, you know that months down the line that I'll have that bag in my hands and I've really worked hard for it. But as I said, I have had replica bags in the past, so I can't turn my nose up them and say, oh, I'd never do that. So it actually happened really fast, and I have a package here. Oh my god, this box. So we have a fake Chanel here. I only have this is genuine Chanel. I don't own any bags. I am not lucky enough to have been able to save up enough money to buy a bag. But I have my Chanel wok here, and the material of the box on this genuine one has almost like a matte, it kind of feels almost like a rubberized feel, and you can see that, you know, it's not shiny. It feels nice, it's quite soft and feels luxurious. This feels the same. It has that same rubberized texture. It has the Chanel writing on the front there. The sides are more cardboardy. They're not this soft material. And it is magnetized. This is scary. So it comes with a Chanel shopper bag in white. It comes with some Chanel ribbons. It comes with a fake invoice saying that the bag was bought in Singapore. That's crazy. It just goes to show that you have to be so careful of some of the bags that you see online. Now, see, that's the thing. I'm not really going to go too much into that because I think this is where you can get into trouble with some of this stuff. You know, obviously that I'm just going to put that one to the side. I think that is a good reason. So when you're buying a bag, maybe online or eBay, wherever, and you're not 100% sure of the authenticity of that bag, get it authenticated. I will leave a link down below to the website that I use, Authenticate for You. It's about £5 depending on the bag and the brand, but for that £5 they will authenticate it for you and give you a like a certificate to prove that it's authentic or not. So if you ever come across a bag like this one and someone is stating that it is authentic when obviously it's not, that way you're covered. But anyway, let's get on to what this bag actually looks like. So as I said, it is in a magnetic box, and then under the paperwork I did just pull the camellia. Then comes with a dust bag, which again feels like quite a nice quality material. So even if you don't agree with, you know, replica bags, you have to give it to them that the quality of this is nice, regardless of whether it's a replica or just a really nice, you know, packaging for a handbag. And then inside we have more wrappers. And this is the bag that they have sent me. First glance, just turn the light down a bit. So there's some blue tape on the hardware. So this is a copy of a Chanel jumbo. I think this is the jumbo size. Yeah, that's jumbo size, isn't it? I don't know because I don't own one of these bags. So at my best guess, I'm sure this was down as a jumbo bag when I saw it on the website. And this has the gold tone hardware. There is a pocket on the back. Let's have a look inside. So inside there is some felt, and then there is the inner flap, and it has the CCs on the inside of the inner flap, and this is the burgundy coloured leather. Wow, the attention to detail on this bag. Even the stud there has Chanel written on it. And here. So here we are. That is with the chain unwrapped. And I've got to say, I'm shocked. You know, if I could afford a jumbo, a Chanel jumbo, it is literally the bag of my dreams. I would, do you know, I probably would sell all of my bags in my collection. It is still something that, you know, I do think one day down the line I will sell my bags and get myself a proper Chanel jumbo. I know that, you know, the design and, you know, all the workmanship that goes into a Chanel bag is on another level. You can't compare the two. As I said, this bag was sent to me for free. I did agree that I would do a video to show the bag, which I'm quite happy to do. Would I go out and purchase this myself? Probably not, because I think since I've been into designer bags, you know, since I've been older, my tastes changed. I decided that I enjoyed saving up for designer bags myself, and having the real thing. It means more to me to, you know, put that effort in and buy that bag. But younger me, I would have absolutely chewed someone's arm off to get to this bag. I really would. So I've just moved the camera down a bit so I don't have to keep holding it way up in the air. But I'm just going to show you a little bit of a closer look. So the sides are nice and smooth, gently concaved, very neat and tidy. The bottom is completely flat and has the flat diamond stitching. The back has the slip pocket, which is lined in the burgundy leather. Feels like that's lined with leather all the way down to the bottom. The strap is gold hardware with the leather woven through. I'll show you the CCs again. And this has the caviar leather, quite nice and puffy, if you can see there. It has the zip there, and that goes up to the top of the flap. Does it go down at all? So this part is a pocket here. Then this has a press stud. And then it says Chanel made in France in there in gold lettering. But there are two slip pockets there and a lipstick or a pen pocket there. And then there is also this pocket here at the front. And again they're lined in the burgundy, and the caviar leather goes all the way down the front there. I'm just going to get my wallet on chain out just to compare the materials. So this is my genuine Chanel wallet on chain. This is also in the black caviar with gold hardware. This is a different feel. You can feel the difference in the materials. I mean, to be fair, this feels good, but it's got more of a, it feels like more scratch resistant than this. This definitely feels like you can feel this is a better quality leather, obviously. Inside, I think you can also see the difference there. This is more of a shiny, almost like a iridescence to it, whereas this is much flatter, more matte looking. And then the pocket on the back compared to the pocket on the wok, definitely a similar shape, but I think this has less of a Mona Lisa smile line here. But still, I think from afar you wouldn't know necessarily that this was a fake from afar, but close up, I mean, yeah, there's a few things that you can tell, mainly like the feel of it, I think. But it's still a very pretty bag. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was very different to my usual videos, but I thought some of you might be interested to see what a replica bag looks like and how close they are to the real thing. Even if I don't keep the bag, I'm sure my mum or a friend would also like to use it. Please don't flood the comment section with unnecessary, nasty, negative comments. I know this isn't for everybody, so, but it, you know, sometimes it's interesting to have a look at these things and see what they're like, because I was intrigued to see what it would be like and how close to the real thing they were, so maybe that was of interest to some of you. But I have a couple of items that I would like to share with you in my next video. They are lower end designer items, but they're really beautiful, so hopefully that'll be my next video. I might actually film it after this to show you. But thank you for watching, and thank you for sharing this new experience with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.